Welcome to the GLAC Studios oil painting tutorial. This is Gomati Sevasankaran, founder CEO of the Guiding Light Art Company, building bright futures through art and yoga. I welcome you all once again to the oil painting session of Vidya Lakshmi, learning to paint from scratch. This is one of the 8 paintings that I have created, wherein I have used the traditional images of Goddess Lakshmi, the 8 forms of Lakshmi avatars that are known for all the positive propensities of life, and sort of elaborated on that image using references of girl children instead of women as goddesses, girl children coming from 8 different countries to represent or celebrate diversity. And this particular painting is Vidya Lakshmi. Vidya refers to knowledge. So this is this goddess of knowledge. I have chosen an image of a little girl that is coming from the Middle East, and also have used references of Middle Eastern jewelry to depict the goddess. So when you are embarking on this journey, 11-hour sessions, 11 different sessions from basics to the finish line. You are not only going through structurally to understand how a painting develops, but also seeing how completely different concepts can be tied together to create a new dimension, to tell a new storyline, to celebrate diversity and empower girl children. So this is the kind of tutorial that you would pick up if you are someone that wants to explore more than an artist, to explore the world of painting that can communicate such a positive message. So I wish you all the very best, and I hope you are staying blessed, staying happy, staying healthy, staying motivated, staying inspired, staying curious to go through this painting along with me, to create this image along with me, and share it with me and also with the whole world, because you are not only on your way to becoming a great artist, but also you are this global citizen that is embarking on a journey of celebrating diversity, empowering girl children at the same time. Looking forward to seeing your artwork soon. Bye bye.